Hello everyone, this is Explorer Channel. Today's dinner of the day is Philly steak and cheese sandwiches tonight. It's nothing more than steakum sandwiches that you can get at Family Dollar for $1 or $2 a box. All you do is fry up one set of onions, throw them in the pan, and then break up by your hands the Philly steaks until they're small enough, and drop them right into the pan and mix them in until they cook and look like golden brown. Then what you do is this: you put your white cheese on the top, or if you want, you can mix it into the whole pan if you decide, so it comes out as the traditional Philly cheese and steak and cheese. A Philly steak is nothing more than one onion and 4 to 5 Philly steakums, and with cheese on the top. It's Philly steak and cheese. Love you all. Please like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to give the thumbs up, guys. And Explorer Channel out. Love you all. Amen.